taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from...
Hi, good morning everyone. Kamusta po kayong lahat ngayon? So, welcome po sa aming kusina. Magluluto ako ngayon ng chicken broccoli with oyster sauce. Napakasarap. This is my favorite dish. Okay guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung recipe. Okay? I'm going to show you my recipe today. Hi guys, meron tayong 2 breasts of chicken at ginger, cornstarch, soy sauce, garlic, onion, and broccoli. And meron tayong paper, sesame, oil, and oyster sauce. Meron tayong salt, but not too much to put because already the oyster sauce already salty and the soy sauce. Okay people, really easy po lang. Easy to make, so it's not really hard. Okay guys, but this is and the side with rice. Ayan, sa rice cooker meron akong rice, so it's yummy para dito sa chicken and broccoli oyster sauce. Okay guys, this is my pan, is getting hot. Okay guys, this chicken I'm gonna marinate it. And then, I'm cooking. Okay, marinate muna natin yung chicken. Okay guys, let's begin now. This is chicken, I need to marinate it. So, nice and tasty. Okay, so marinate natin siya ng oyster sauce a bit. A bit of oyster sauce. Okay. 1 teaspoon lang naman siya, guys. Okay, ayan. Marinate mo na. Lagyan natin siya ng konting paper para yung chicken malasa. Okay, guys. Nilagyan natin siya ng konting oyster sauce. So, combine oyster sauce and soy sauce. Nalagyan natin siya ng cornstarch. Gonna be delicious. Itabi natin yung extra. I just put in the side in case you need it later. Okay people, this pan is really hot, so I need the oil. Okay. And I need a garlic, onion, and ginger. We need a brown color. Okay guys, lagyan natin yung broccoli. So this is a stir-fried chicken with broccoli and oyster sauce. It's amazing. Okay. Lagyan na natin. So Lulutuin lang natin yung broccoli. Make cook the broccoli. Nice cook. Okay. Lagyan natin siya ng konting a little bit water. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Nice and steamy. Otherwise, it's gonna be dry. Okay, guys. Then I can take it. Okay. Oh, this is the sesame oil. A little bit salt. And a little bit oyster sauce. And soy sauce as well. Guys, yummy. Okay guys, I need to this to put in the side. Okay, lagay mo na natin siya sa tabi. I just put in the side and then I'm gonna cook the chicken. Okay guys. Chicken. Lulutuin lang natin yung chicken. Okay guys. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng additional oyster sauce para mas masarap. It smells really, really delicious. Okay guys, lagyan na natin yung broccoli. Ayan, tingnan. Ayan, delicious. Napakasarap. Stir-fried chicken with broccoli with oyster sauce. Ayan. Amazing guys. I love it. Look at this people. Okay guys, it's already cooked. Okay. This is the rice. Okay, people, look at that. Amazing, yummy, and delicious. Stir-fried chicken with broccoli and oyster sauce, and the side is rice. It's amazing. Good for your dinner and lunch. So why not grab this recipe, guys? Thank you for your watching, and hopefully you love it. And thumbs up for me, and have a nice day, and love you all, guys. Mwah. God bless you. Bye now. See you on next video. In the kitchen, we are fire. Okay guys, ayan. Look at this. Tingnan natin. Sarap, sarap. Sarap, sarap. Yummy. The taste is absolutely amazing. Yummy. Good for you. Nice for lunch. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you. Mwah.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things